Tired of missing out on email leads for your hosting or website? Learn how to effortlessly add a powerful subscription form that captures visitor info, grows your audience, and boosts engagement in minutes. This is a game changer for anyone looking to connect with their site visitors. We'll quickly navigate the hosting or website builder to add and customize your form, ensuring it perfectly matches your brand and functions flawlessly. You'll be collecting emails like a pro in no time. All right, let's dive right in. The very first step is to get into your hosting or website builder. This is where all the magic happens for creating and managing your site. You'll want to go to your specific project, for example, a site like Spalvota Shirtis, Colorful Handmade Ceramics, which is already loaded up here and ready for us to start. Now that we're in the builder, we need to add a new element to our page. Look for the plus icon, usually on the left-hand side of your screen. It typically represents adding a new element or section. Just click on that add_circle icon, and a panel will open up showing you all the different things you can put on your page. From that panel, you'll see a variety of elements you can drag and drop. We're specifically looking for a way to capture contact information, so scroll down or look for a section related to forms or interactive elements. You'll find the subscription form option there. Go ahead and click on it. It might also say drag and drop elements anywhere on your page to guide you. Once you've selected the subscription form, you'll see it appear on your canvas. Now the key is to decide where you want it to live on your page. Think about where your visitors are most likely to see it and be prompted to sign up. You can easily drag and drop it anywhere, maybe in a prominent section near the top, or perhaps subtly integrated into your footer. Just pick it up and place it exactly where it makes sense for your website. With the form now on your page, we need to make it truly yours, so go ahead and click directly on the form itself. When you do, a little floating menu will appear, and you'll see an option to edit form. This is your gateway to customizing everything about it. Click that button, and we'll start making some adjustments. This is the exact click-by-click process to ensure you can replicate these results without any guesswork. First up, let's customize those fields. Inside the form editor, you'll see several tabs. Head over to the one that says Fields. Here you can decide what information you want to collect. Maybe you only need an email address, or perhaps you want to add a field for their name too. You can easily add new fields, remove existing ones, and even mark certain fields as required. This ensures you get exactly the data you need from your subscribers. Next, let's tackle the Submit button. This is your call to action, so it needs to be clear and inviting. Click on the Button tab within the form editor. Here, you can change the text from a generic subscribe to something more engaging like Join our community, Get updates, or Sign me up. You can also adjust its size and alignment to make sure it stands out just enough without being overwhelming. Now for the visual appeal, making sure your form looks great and matches your brand. Click on the Style tab. This is where you have complete control over the form's aesthetics. You can change its background color, the font and color of the text, adjust border styles, and even fine-tune the padding and spacing. Play around with these options until your subscription form seamlessly integrates with your website's overall design, making it feel like a natural part of your brand. Want to add a little extra flair to grab attention? Head over to the Animation tab. Here, you can choose from various subtle animations that make your form appear dynamically as visitors scroll or land on the page. A gentle fade-in or a smooth slide can really make your form pop without being distracting. Just pick one that feels right for your site's style. Remember, a little goes a long way. Once you've got your form looking and functioning exactly how you want it, there's one super crucial step: saving your changes. Look for the Save button, typically located in the top right corner of your builder interface. Click it to make sure all your hard work is locked in and won't be lost. This is a habit you definitely want to get into with any website edits. Finally, to make absolutely sure everything looks perfect, let's preview your website. Click on the Preview button, usually near the Save option. This will open up your site in a new tab, showing you exactly how your visitors will experience it. Take a moment to check your new subscription form. Does it look good? Is it positioned correctly? Does it prompt you to enter an email? All good? Fantastic! And there you have it. You've gone from missing out on valuable email leads to actively building your mailing list with a fully functional, customized subscription form on your hosting or website. Now you can nurture those customer relationships and keep everyone updated. Great job!